In case you also have the inventory module enabled, after you create the repair job details will display warning lines if the parts do not have enough inventory. Now you need to replenish the inventory for them. After the parts are in sufficient quantity, you can create an invoice by changing the status of the repair job to other statuses, except in booked in and in progress. Then press the Create Invoice button. The created invoice will include the labor product and part in the repair job, and the invoice number is displayed at the top of the repair job detail. In the repair job, you can create an inspection if you want. We click Create Inspection. In the Add Inspection form, we select inspection type, inspection template, Persian in charge, start date, due date, interval. Next inspection date will be calculated automatically based on the start date and interval. Then enter the number of days in the next inspection alert to send a reminder notification to the customer before the next inspection field. Enter the number of days in the due date alert, days before, field to send a warning notification to employees before the due date if the inspection is not completed. With the Visible to Customer option, if enabled, the customer can view this inspection on the customer portal. Then enter a description for the inspection in the description field and attach the necessary files. Finally, click Save to save the inspection. Then, scroll to the bottom of the page, and click the Play button to check according to the checklist in inspection. Based on the predefined checklists, you will inspect each part of the device and fill in the corresponding information, then select Good or Repair. If you choose Good, it means the part is functioning well and does not require repair or replacement. If you select Repair, it means the part is damaged and requires repair or replacement. Now we need to add the labor product and part needed. This list shows all available labor products and parts. All parts and labor products selected will be displayed below the form. Additionally, you can also add parts and labor products using the plus icon here. And you can also delete unnecessary parts and labor products using the trash icon. Continue checking the remaining checklists in the form. After completing a form, click Save to save it. Next, click on the next form and check according to the checklist in the form. Please check until you have completed the entire inspection. Remember to save the data for each form before moving to the next form. Finally, click Close to close the inspection. Next, click on the eye icon to view the inspection details. This screen will display the items that need to be repaired. Now you need to contact the customer to confirm the repairs and ask the customer if they want to fix it right away. Each checklist line that needs to be fixed will display the Reject and Approve buttons. If the customer agrees to the repair, click Approve. The labor products and parts related to the accepted checklist will be added to the customer's invoice. If the customer refuses to repair, click Reject. The labor products and parts related to the rejected checklist will not be added to the customer's invoice. Once all the items that need to be repaired have been approved, we can create an invoice for the inspection. The invoice will contain the labor products and parts from the approved lines. In case you are enabling the inventory module, if the Create Invoice button is disabled, it means that the approved parts do not have enough quantity to use. You need to add inventory and then return to this inspection to create an invoice. Once the inventory is sufficient, click the Create Invoice button. The newly created invoice number will be displayed at the top of the inspection form. Click back to return to the inspection detail. You can change the inspection status to another status. Go back to the repair job list and go to the detail page. The invoices generated from the repair job and the corresponding inspection are also displayed at the top for your convenience. In repair job detail, you can create workshops, deliveries and returns in the respective tabs. Workshop tab is where we add notes about any repairs performed or detailed inspections. Each workshop will include information such as report type, report status, mechanic, workshop start and end time, information about the parts used in the workshop. You can allow customers to see the workshop in the customer portal by enabling Visible to Customer. Next, Delivery tab is typically used when a device needs to be transported to another location for further repair or inspection, or when returning a repaired or maintaining device to the customer. Return tab is typically used to record the receipt of a device from a customer for repair or maintenance purposes. Each repair job can only create one delivery and return, then you can add notes to them. Additionally, you can also print labels and print reports for each repair job.